The world's deepest lake is Lake Baikal in Siberia. It is 5,387 feet deep. The world's largest desert is the Sahara Desert in Africa. It is 9.2 million square miles. The world's highest mountain is Mount Everest in the Himalayas. It is 29,031 feet tall. The world's largest ocean is the Pacific Ocean. It covers about 30% of the Earth's surface. The world's smallest country is Vatican City. It is only 0.44 square kilometers. The world's most populous country is China. It has a population of over 1.4 billion people. The world's most spoken language is Mandarin Chinese. It is spoken by over 1.1 billion people. The world's fastest animal is the peregrine falcon. It can fly at speeds of up to 240 miles per hour. The world's strongest animal is the African elephant. It can lift up to 6 tons. The world's oldest known living organism is a tree called Methuselah. It is a bristlecone pine tree that is over 4,800 years old. The world's largest animal was the blue whale. It could grow up to 100 feet long and weigh up to 200 tons. The world's smallest animal is the pygmy goby fish. It is only about half an inch long. The world's most poisonous animal is the box jellyfish. Its sting can kill a human in minutes. The world's hottest temperature ever recorded was 134 degrees Fahrenheit in Death Valley, California. The world's coldest temperature ever recorded was -89.2 degrees Fahrenheit in Vostok Station, Antarctica. The world's largest lightning bolt was 70 miles long. The world's loudest sound was made by a blue whale. It was 188 decibels, which is louder than a jet engine. The world's fastest computer is the Fugaku supercomputer in Japan. It can perform 415.5 petaflops, which is 415.5 quadrillion calculations per second. The world's largest telescope is the James Webb Space Telescope. It is so large that it had to be folded up like a sandwich to fit into the rocket that launched it into space. The world's deepest cave is the Kruber of Aronia Cave in Georgia. It is 2,197 meters, 7,205 feet deep. The world's largest volcano is Tamu Massif in the Pacific Ocean. It is about 1,500 kilometers, 930 miles wide. The world's oldest known civilization is the Sumerian civilization in Mesopotamia. It dates back to about 3500 BC. The world's oldest known written language is Sumerian cuneiform. It dates back to about 3000 BC. The world's oldest known mathematical text is the Rhind Papyrus. It dates back to about 1650 BC. The world's oldest known map is the Babylonian map of the world. It dates back to about 600 BC. The world's oldest known book is the Dead Sea Scrolls. They date back to about 200 BC. The world's oldest known piece of music is the Seikilos Epitaph. It dates back to about 200 BC. The world's oldest known telescope was invented by Hans Lippershey in 1608. The world's first photograph was taken by Joseph Nicephore Niepce in 1826. The world's first color photograph was taken by James Clerk Maxwell in 1861. The world's first X-ray was taken by Wilhelm Röntgen in 1895. The world's first television broadcast was made by John Logie Baird in 1926. The world's first nuclear reactor was built by Enrico Fermi in 1942. The world's first artificial satellite was launched by the Soviet Union in 1957. The world's first human in space was Yuri Gagarin, who was launched by the Soviet Union in 1961. The world's first moon landing was made by Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin in 1969. The world's first artificial heart was implanted in a human in 1982. The world's first cloned animal was Dolly the sheep, who was born in 1996.